What's up, YouTube?
What up?
How's it going?
All right, guys. Chris is going to back the boat in. He's a professional, so let's just walk back. Let's just sit back and relax. Yeah. We gotta get this rope though, cause the boat is not latched on.
What side is it gonna
Yeah, it's too hard to unclip in the water. Oh my god.
Oh, there we go.
He's gonna go right in the middle. Perfect. It adds to the effect. Oh, you're good. You're good. Stop. That's.
You're good. You're good.
Hey, stop! Get out, dude. Why are you so deep?
Jesus.
Better be. Oh, let's go, guys. All right, guys.
Yeah, I got it.
Tell them what just happened. Camera, please.
All right, so Peyton just hooked him on the slab of a bluegill right here.
That's a monster bluegill.
I mean, I don't have the biggest hands. You don't have to expose me like that.
Caught the bass. We don't want bass, so we're gonna throw that back.
But
dude, that's a good start. That was like what, like 5 minutes?
Good start. I'm still rigging up.
Yeah.
I'm still rigging up. Let's go.
All right. Catching fish, boys.
Hey, look at that, guys. That's a nice one. Micro bass fit. Dude, Andy ate the worm.
Oh, we like to see.
No. Nice one.
All right, they're always just...
Mine's getting a little action.
Is it?
Oh, wait, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice hook set. Oh, God.
Oh,
yeah, it's probably gone. Oh.
No, is it tiny? Yeah, it's tiny. Holy. Well, I mean, we knew we were going to get those.
Nice one.
Show them.
Oh. That's what we like to see.
Oh, you're really not that deep.
It's edible.
All right.
Little pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We'll put her in there, and if we catch enough bigger ones.
Yeah, but that's a pretty good size. Like, look how thick it is.
All right, guys. Pumpkin seed right here. Nice looking fish. We're gonna throw it in with the other one and set it in politely. That's right. Cook-off's off to a good start. All right, I'm gonna try the over tactic.
Guys, first career crappie ever. Huge right here. I guess, dude, are you sure this is edible?
Yeah. It's a good size one.
I'm not positive, but...
We'll just put her in there and then
yeah,
we'll decide.
You know what? Get out of my face. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a pumpkin seed.
Yeah. Thick pumpkin.
Look at that.
There we go.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
That's down his throat too. Maybe. Oh.
No, it's not. Slaver. Yes, dude. Let's go. Another one.
Good stuff.
You got the chest mount on?
Yeah.
Shit.
All right, guys. We got 4 in the boat right now, I think, right?
Is that 5?
5 maybe?
Yeah.
Just another nice pumpkin seed right here. Big as my hand.
Still at the first spot.
Yeah, still at the first spot. This is going to be really good eating right here. All right, guys. We're moving out of our first spot now. We're still throwing the bobbers with the worms. Pretty successful so far.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. We got 5 keepers. But we got to get up to 10 for this.
Yeah, we probably caught like 10 fish.
We probably caught 5 keepers.
Not a bad ratio.
Not a bad ratio at all.
Let's go. Oh my! And look at that.
Charlie, is it on right now?
Yeah. Woo! There we go.
It just looks so much more funny because it's fucking green.
Dude, this is this happened in like 2 seconds. Chris got another, let's see it. Let's go. Perfect. I'm still working. All right, guys, I got that untangled done. It only took me like 3.5 minutes. So we back in it.
He's so he goes so violently. Like it's not just straight line.
Yeah. It's not a straight line.
He zigzags. See, it's the snake.
So part of the fish catching is part of the video.
No, it's only the trailer that counts for the video.
How many views do you think we got on the video?
7.
Yeah, probably 7-ish. It's hard.
5 if you're lucky.
It's hard to get hype on the videos when they don't have John B predicting the coronavirus in the title. Hey guys, we're on our way back to clean and cook the fish.
Yeah, you gotta get the filet knives ready, the Old Bay seasoning, flour. Let's go.
Let's go. With the camera.
Alright guys, so right now we're about to start filleting some good panfish here. We got our cutting boards, our buckets for cleaning the fish,
Yep.
and a waste bin for the fish guts. So we'll give you some not certainly step by step, but we'll show you how we do it at least. And
Guys, here's the expert Charles Chase. We're gonna go step by step.
Gonna grab you one.
Step by step on how he
crappie.
look at this
That one
guy.
works.
On how he's gonna
Alright,
flay
so
this fish.
we got a nice bluegill. We're gonna first start out by chopping off the head.
He's enjoying this a little too much.
Just cut right through there. Just split this guy right down the middle. Right here is these fins. They're kind of hard to get through. You just gotta get it a good punch.
So right in between the two fins.
Yep. And then
you
just
better be
work
paying
on one
attention.
side of these. All right, so now to start the fillet, what you want to do is go on one side, right above the dorsal fin and the spine. Just like that, and you're just basically working the knife along the back edge, trying to get all the meat. Now right here, I'm getting to the rib cage, so I'm just gonna slowly move my knife around it. Still maintaining getting all that meat. Hardest part is just this rib cage, just slowly. You don't want to go fast, or else you just waste all the meat that's around the rib cage.
And is there usually any bones in these fillets that you have to pick up?
Oh no, because we're going right around the rib cage. If we wanted to, we could go straight down. Then you'd have all those rib cages to risk. But I mean, you would not be wasting as much meat, but we don't want any bones. We're just kind of,
There you go.
we have enough fish to where we can just fillet. Keep rolling.
All right, so he just finished with the first fillet, and now he's gonna show you guys how to take the skin off.
So you want to just dig your fingernail just right in there. Slowly just angle your knife. Cut right under the meat. Most important side is this right side because that's where all the thicker meat is. So that's where I'm going to focus most of my attention to. There's our first fillet. Okay.
Run it back.
All right, so now we got the fillet all clean. Put it into the water, wash it off a little bit. Get all the muck off, skin, and then just into our
Clean bowl.
clean bowl. All right, so got our fillet here. Put it in flour first. Just like that, get a nice coating. Shake it off a little bit. Now this is just egg and milk. 1 egg, probably about a cup of milk. Now we got, this is just salt, pepper, flour, and Old Bay seasoning. Get that nice coat on there. Then stick it right into our pan before they go on the oil pan. Alright, well, we just got it in the pan of oil. This one right here, we got seasoned with dill pickle. Just a little action in the fish. Right now, we're looking like some nice chicky tendies, but really they're bluegill tendies.
Those are some golden crispies, if I had to say.
Yeah,
so
dude, these are looking.
Honestly, could. it's highest goalie on your first random.
All right, guys, just got back from eating.
One of the best meals I've ever had.
Yeah, very good homemade, fresh as it gets.
Thanks to Charlie for helping
That's
us out
right.
today.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Thanks to Chris. Special shout out to Charlie's dad for helping us out along the way.
Derek.
Thank you, Derek.
Derek, great man. See you guys next video. Thank you.